Today I received this package in the mail and I'm going to unbox it in this video, and I think it's a Tangem hardware wallet. At least that's what I hope. Otherwise I don't know what I'm going to be unboxing. Anyways, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the unboxing. Yeah, it's a nice box. So for those of you that don't know, what is Tangem? So Tangem is a hardware wallet, and a hardware wallet is good if you want to protect your cryptocurrencies from hackers or anything like that. Now I'm cutting right through the very nice box. Okay, why isn't this working? And I would recommend to buy a hardware wallet if you have cryptocurrencies that are worth more than at least $1,000. But you could, of course, even buy one if you have cryptocurrencies under that value as well, if you really want to stay protected. Now, let's take away this plastic seal. No, I left a scar there from my knife. Anyways, it's not the box that I'm going to be using. So let's open up the box and we can see how it looks inside. If I'm competent enough to open the box, we'll see. That was hard enough. Okay, I only ordered 2 cards for the sake of this video because I'm not going to be using these cards. I just wanted to record this video for you guys. So here they are, 2 black, kind of looks like credit cards. If you flash them quick for someone, maybe they could think that you have a black Amex or something. So you get some papers here as well. So getting started, I bet that's info about the app. Yeah, exactly. So inside of these black cards, you can store your cryptocurrencies safe from hackers. And inside here, there's a chip that is an advanced standalone microcomputer, and it has been independently certified of having the highest level of security standard among crypto hardware wallets. And this security standard is known as EAL6 Plus, which is the same level of security that NASA and passports use as well. And the cards have been designed to withstand dust and water and hot and cold temperatures, so they are able to be fully submerged and still work afterwards, though I don't recommend you to try that out. And to access the wallet inside of this card, you need to have some kind of device that supports NFC tags, and any iPhone later than the iPhone 7 supports NFC tags. So if you have an iPhone later than iPhone 7, then you can access the cards. And I don't know exactly which Android phones support NFC, but it's probably most of the new phones that come out. Let's get into setting up the cards. So let's set up the app here. I've already downloaded it from the App Store. I actually woke up with these like lasers on my screen after New Year's Eve, so I don't really remember what happened here, but yeah, it's not the best looking. But anyways, let's just set these cards up and let's open up a wallet. I just press here, scan card, and then I'll have to take one of these cards, and then it will scan. Then you just have to sign your life away here, so accept. And then let's press create wallet. Now I'll have to tap the scan the card as well. So let's scan it. Awesome. Now it says done. No backup cards. Then I'll take my second card here and add it as a backup card. Now, I only ordered 2 cards for the sake of this video, but I actually suggest that you order at least 3, because if you lose 2 of the cards, you at least want to have some backups. It's just for security measures. Yep, 1 backup card added, that's correct. Finalize the backup. And because I don't have another backup card, I'll just press continue here. But if you would have ordered 3 cards, you just press add a backup card and you add the 3rd card as a backup as well. And now I'm going to create my access code, and if you have a card and this access code, you can access your crypto wallet from any phone that supports NFC and also has the Tangem app. Now about the Tangem app, if let's say that if the Tangem company were to go bankrupt and it would collapse, how would you be able to access your cryptocurrencies? And that's a good question, because the Tangem company is very smart. They've already thought of this. So the code for the app is open source, which means that anyone can go in and read the code. So if the Tangem app were to go away from the App Store, some nerdy crypto guy could go in and relaunch the app and just copy the code from this app that went bankrupt, if that were to happen. And it's also good because then people can see if there's any backdoors in the app reading through the code. Now, I haven't read through the code, but I guess that there are some nerdy people out there that actually read through the source code. So thank you, nerdy people, for actually checking the source code. But let's set up this access code now and let's get this wallet up and running. And now I need to scan the primary card, so let's just do that real quick. And now it's scanning here for 50 seconds, so it's checking that it's a legit card from the legit Tangem factory, etc. It's nothing fake, etc. So it's just ensuring the security of the card and also connecting to the wallet. And now I'm going to scan the backup card as well. A lot of scanning. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. And now I've opened up my Tangem wallet here, and I'm going to send some Kaspa over to this account just to show how it's done. So you just search here for Kaspa, then you check that box there and save changes. Face ID. And then I need to scan my main card. Great. Then I'll just press receive here. Let's copy this. So I'll just send 100 Kaspa to this address here, and I'll write Tangem. So send and confirm. So now you can see I received 100 Kaspa. So now I have 100 Kaspa inside of this card right here. So to get yourself a Tangem hardware wallet, you can head to their official website by clicking the link down in the description. And by also clicking my link, you save 10% on your purchase. So if you decide to go with 2 or 3 cards, you save 10% on your purchase. So on the website, you can choose between buying 2 or 3 cards. And as I said, I suggest that you buy 3 just to be on the safe side if you happen to lose some of them, but you can also cheap out and just buy 2, and once you lose one of the cards you can just order more. And as I also said, I suggest that if you have more than $1,000 worth of cryptocurrencies, I really suggest that you get yourself a hardware wallet, and the Tangem hardware wallet is a really great wallet, and it's also not too expensive. And if you already have a hardware wallet yourself, then you can get a Tangem hardware wallet for someone who isn't as known to crypto. For example, you could buy it for a family member, because Tangem hardware wallets are very easy to use, as I just showed when I was setting the cards up. And remember, don't tell anyone your passcode, and never store your cards at the same place, because if someone has your card and the password, they can access your crypto wallet from any phone or device that supports NFC. So keep that in mind. So never share your password to anyone, and never keep the cards in the same place. Now, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to make a quick review on the Tangem cards. As I said, if you want to buy yourself or your family member or just a random guy, I don't know, if you want to buy anyone a Tangem hardware wallet, you can use my link down in the description to save 10% on your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Tashi. Goodbye.